So in this MetaMask tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how to buy gold on MetaMask. So once MetaMask is opened up, I want you guys to go to the bottom left and press the Explore icon. Then at the top, you can simply go to where it says Explore and you can press gold. So under perps right here where it says gold, that's where you're looking for. But you can also go down to the bottom to where it says perps and then press commodities and then press on perps once again. Once you're on the commodities page, just scroll down to where it says gold and select that. So once you're on the gold page right here, you have to first and foremost add some funds to your account. Once that is done, press on Market Insights. Now once you're here, you can go to the bottom left or bottom right and either buy a long position of gold or a short position of gold. So both work the exact same way. If you were to press on long right here, you can choose market or limits in the top right. You can, move your leverage bar for more or less leverage if you want to do that. You can edit your auto close if you want to set that up. You can see with how you're going to be paying, the margin, the price, etc. Go to the bottom, press on where for me it says insufficient funds to continue, and the same thing works for a short position. So you can buy either one, but that's how you guys can buy gold here in MetaMask, or I guess invest into gold here in MetaMask. So thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.